In today's video, we'll be making the most delicious beet and mango smoothie. It is so good and packed full of nutrients. So we'll be starting off with 1.5 mango and 1 beet. I'll also be using a damp size of ginger and 1 lemon. So you're going to just squeeze out the juice from the lemon or even blend the lemon in it if you don't like the lemon.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk.
Mangoes are rich in antioxidants and they also have lots of vitamin C. They are also a very fibrous fruit, which also adds that added fiber to your food and in a juice which you can actually finish in one sitting. And then beets, as you all know, they're really good for your liver, full of nitrates and really good for adding a bit of iron in your food. And finally, ginger, which is an anti-inflammatory spice and also adds that beautiful kick that cuts down the taste of beet in your juice. And lemons, we love them, full of vitamin C, skin brightening properties, amazing fruit combinations.
Already on my way, I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes, sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you beats my touching. Good do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes, sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes, sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet talk.
I hope you enjoy this lovely smoothie. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment of other combinations that you'd love to see. Thank you for watching this far.